Okay, hello to traders. Happy Sunday. Okay, see, this is exactly what I want to show you guys. As you can see here, the market was here, do these small spikes. I was retracing back down before this spike. So, as I've been showing you guys, so in my previous video on how to catch the simplest way to catch spike on 1 minute. The first thing we discover is on 1 minute, this is boom 500. The stochastic is at oversold. Then when you discover that, you go to 5 minutes, you make sure that the stochastic is also at oversold. If not, you wait for it. As you can see it here, is at oversold. Then we have this small spike as you are seeing it. So that is a confirmation that the market will go up. So when I see that small spike, the market was coming down, then I know that it's the right time for me to catch the next spike. So I'm expecting this. Can you see now? That's exactly what I have to say now. I'm expecting it to spike up more and more. Understand? So that's why I enter big. I enter 0.23 times. So I'm expecting it to spike up. When we go to 1 minute, you see it spiking up. So we expect this to spike up, at least to a certain position here like this. So once it spikes up like that, then I will take my profit, then wait for another opportunity. So please guys, if you've not watched the previous video on how I show how to catch a simple spike, how to catch spikes with this simple strategy, please check my previous video. You will see the video there. You can check the description below. If I'm not going to forget, I will put the link in the description below. You can click the video link to watch it first. So this is just it. This is just it. So what we're going to do now is uh, let me show you guys the settings. Okay, don't worry. Let's just wait for another spike. Then after that, we'll show you spike. Good. That is it. That is it. Can you see it now? That is just it. That is it. That is it. That is $10. Just just within it's not up to, this is just within how many minutes? 1 2 3 4, just less than 5 minutes. We've gotten $10. So that is that. Don't be too greedy. Just close it. Close that. Understand? So if you've not been watching my video, check my previous video on how show you guys how to grow your $5. But this amount I'm using here is part of the money I grown. So if you check my video, I've started growing $5. So I've grown it to $20. Then I transfer $10 to my Deriv account, remain $10. So I'm going to show you guys. So I increase this $10 to $20. So all my total capital now is $30. So let me show you guys. Okay, so can you see it here? Here I balance. I deposited this. Can you see it? Deposited 10.11 cents. Understand? I transfer it. So then I increase it now to 20. So let me show you my Deriv account so that you can see the um, the remaining money there. So all this is with $5. All this with $5. So you guys, I believe that you can do it. You can do it. But one of my belief is if you can grow $5 to uh, 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 $2,000, even if you have uh, ten thousands of dollars, you can manage it very well. That is my belief. Can you see? So this is my Deriv account here. Can you see? This is my Deriv account here. So that is if I go to the trader and so up, you see the total capital now, which is $30 plus now. So this is it, $10. This is 30.6 dollars. So I get it now. So that is that. So I've been recording videos on how I'm growing $5. and I do today Sunday I've grown into $30.60. I'll keep recording it on I'm growing it. So I transfer 10.11 cents to my forex because I saw this trade. I get it now, and I see that this is a perfect entry for me. You don't need to be greedy. Let me recap again. When you go to 5 minutes, are you getting it now? See that you are at oversold. That is, if you are trading boom 500, you are oversold. Understand? Then what you would do is go to 1 minute time frame. Make sure that you are at oversold also. Make sure that you are at um, oversold also. Are you getting it now? Make sure it's oversold also. Understand? Then that's the best time to start cashing spike. So before I enter, we we already having this small spike, and I know that is the best time for me to enter because what when you see something like this, you can enter big here, and your stop loss will be below this small will be below this small spike here, will be below this small spike. So if spike does not occur below this spike, then you know that countdown at lost. Are you getting it now? So and you see we have this big spike like this, which is very good for us. So thank you guys. So let me show you. You don't need to worry about the moving average on the home page, but the main indicator I'm using here is the stochastic to get the oversold. If you are trading crash 300 or crash 500, you will be using overbought. Are you getting it now? But if it is boom, that is oversold on 1 minute and 5 minutes. You must tally before you enter your trade. But it is much more better when the market is that is if it is bull, when the market is uptrend, it's much more easier that way. And on crash when the market is downtrend, it's very easier that way. Are you getting it now? So remember, trend is your friend. Understand? So that is now. Let me show you the settings uh, for the stochastic. We have 333. That is the setting I'm using. 333. That is the settings. Are you getting it now? Then the price feed low high method simple. Then on the level here, click here, add 20, 80, 50. Are you getting it now? That's just it's as simple as that. Understand? So if you look at this one now, uh, let me show you the moving average I'm using. I'm using moving average. You can pause it 8. Moving average 8, 0, exponential close. I'm using 15, 0, smooth close, which is yellow. Then the third one, I'm using moving average 50, 0, smooth close. You can pause the video and write the moving average down. Understand? So now you know that if the price is above the moving average 50, which is the red red line, is that red? I think that is like dark purple. I mean dark purple. So you know that the market will be going to with something like this that it can spike up also. So you can just come here and release it. Now the reason why I'm putting this is for most of the time when the price retrace, hold on, let me show you when the price retrace this moving average for the first time, I get like spikes. So that I get it. So but I will let it move closer to the line and I will enter. So if the price close below the line and there's no spike, I'll count that little one as lost and I'll close all my trade. Understand? But I expected it to spike now because looking at this on stochastic, this is 1 minute we are oversold. Let's go to 5 minutes. The 5 minutes is hasn't gotten to overbought yet, so there's tendency it can spike for the stochastic line to get overbought on the 5 minutes. So and here, let's see what we got here. So can enter another. Just try to enter another because the price is still above the moving average, which is 8. So moving average 8, upload moving average 8. So let's see. So this candle close, and the next candle closes below the moving average 8, which is the blue one, and it didn't spike. We'll close that. We'll count that one as lost. It's okay to lose, but don't lose big. You have to manage your capital. Understand? So when you manage your capital, you make sure that you don't lose big, but you preserve your earning. You see that at the long run, you will be in profit and you will not lose your money back to the brokers. So let me enter more. So what I normally do here is this. This candle is closing below. It's closing below the moving average 8. So the next candle, if it closes below it and it didn't spike, I will close all the trade and I'll count that one as what? As lost. So so this is our last candle. This is our last candle. This is our last candle. Let it form a little bit and I'm going to enter one more. This is our last candle. So okay, nothing, nothing. Okay, let me enter now. So this is our last candle. So we're still losing less than $2. Okay, so on 5 minutes, another candle is forming. In 5 minutes, another candle is forming. So let's see what the market is going to do. See what the market is going to do. So wait for this candle. This one is the 10th one. Let's wait for it. This one is the 10th one. Gotta be patient. Need to be patient. Patient is the key. Now I'm seeing something here also. I'm seeing something here between the line here. Between the line here. Let me show you something I'm seeing. See this candle here. See this candle here. When the price gets to that level, it spikes up. So there's tendency that another spike can occur at that level. So so yeah. Okay. So this is the 10th red candle after the spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 10th one. I expected this to spike. So let's wait for it. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Patience is the key. Don't worry. Patience is the key. You need to wait for it. So I think we are losing $3 now loss. And when you believe that it's going to spike, it's going to spike. I get it now. So when you believe that it's going to spike, it's going to spike. Understand? It's going to spike up. And I believe the spike should be big. I believe the spike should be big. And break above this level. I believe the spike should be built and break above that level. So that's my belief. That's my belief. That is the reason why I'm holding on. So, but at least we are not going to lose up to $5, or we won't lose up to $5. I'm getting more, we won't lose up to $5. We won't lose up to $5. So, just have to preserve our earning. So, let's see what we have. So, I'm seeing crossover. So, I think the call is trying to enter. I'm seeing crossover on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes, I'm seeing crossover on 5 minutes. So I believe this one should be first crossover. It should cross above upward back. It should cross above upward. So let's be patient. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's go to 1 minute back. Let's see. This is we're getting close to $5 now. Let's see. See, I'm using my live account here. This is not demo. This is my live account, as you can see. So I'm using my live account. You can see that is live account. That is live account. Okay, so I think it was $5. It was like $5. Okay, um, so you know the reason why I'm waiting. The reason why I'm holding on. The reason why I'm holding on. I'll tell you guys. It's supposed to have closed the trade. I expected the market, the price to spike around this first moving average in this spike. Expected it to spike uh, 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 around the second moving average, which is the dark yellow in this spike. So I expected it to spike around the third moving average, which is moving average 50. Are you getting it now? So I expected it to spike here around moving average 50 upward. So that is my third area which I'm expecting spike to occur. So let's wait for it and see. So okay, so look at that. So I think that spike is small. Now you see what I'm trying to show you guys here. So I think this should spike up more. It should spike up the more. It should spike up the more. It should spike up the more. It should go up the more. I expected it to spike around the first moving average, which is the blue one in this spike, the yellow one in this spike. Then I believe it should spike around it. So we need to just give us small spike. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take out some, preserve our money, just take some losses. I'm getting it now. So just leave two, we leave two entries. Are you getting it now? So because the market can spike up and can remain, it can keep coming down, keep coming down. So you see, you see, an expected spike, more spikes. Are you getting it now? Looking at the moving average, looking at the 5 minute time frame, I expected more spikes, expected it to go up, I expected it to want to go up like this. Are you getting it now? Expected it to go up. So I expected it to go up. In trading, anything can happen, so you just have to protect your earning. You just have to protect your earning. That's just it. So I'm going to pause and I'll come back later. So guys, see, I've been trying to battle with the trade. Understand? I told you that when the market gets to 50, there's tendency spike. Can you see? So it spikes up again because the stochastic is giving us oversold, oversold. Are you getting it now? So this is just a way to what to catch extra spike. Understand? So the main uh, steps is what make sure that on 1 minute there is oversold. That is when you are trading boom. Then on 5 minutes there is oversold. Understand? So, but you see on 5 minutes here there is no oversold yet, but the stochastic is moving towards the oversold. Understand? So you just have to practice it and make sure that you master this very because I know sometimes when it touches that oversold it spikes. You understand? When you compare it to what is happening on 1 minute time frame and looking at that moving average 50, said spikes may occur again. So I expected it to want to spike up big. Understand? I expected it to spike up big, but it really spike. Okay, now can you see this is exactly what I'm trying, I've been waiting for. Understand? This is exactly what I've been waiting for. Can you see now? That's exactly what I've been waiting for, and I expected to what to spike above this line. Expected it to spike above this line like this. Understand? So if not at least towards a certain area here, are you getting it now? So that is that. So I will be greedy. I don't think we are greedy. Are you getting it? So we're just trying to follow trade. So let's just take the two big amount out. So this is $4 now. Are you getting that? So let's just leave one trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put stop loss. You can protect your earning just so that you can break even when the price goes against you. So that is that. So thank you guys. I believe you enjoyed this. So the only thing you can do for me to encourage me to keep recording this. So I believe once I'm recording this, uh, it's like a journal for me also, so that I can go back to the video and watch and see what is really working, so that I will not forget it. And it's also good for you guys so that you can follow the steps and try to grow your small account. So I believe that you can grow your your small account to become big account. That is my belief, and I believe that God will help us. So please, the only thing you can do for me is to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that it can become more popular, um, um, so that it can become or it can feature more on YouTube for others to see. Thank you very much. Bye.